Welcome back to the 330 Diesel Touring Track Project. This is episode 7. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be ergonomically improving Gareth, which means that we are going to be adding this lovely Momo Prototipo steering wheel. We also have a shift knob, a new Momo Nero shift knob. We've got Takata harnesses, and we've got a lovely bucket seat because I've been complaining about flopping about quite a lot. Yeah, cameraman Jack referred to me as a bag of yogurt. This one doesn't get old, does it, Jack? Anyway, me being a bag of yogurt, I need more core support because of all this. It's all floppy mess. So this bucket seat should do me proud. So let's begin the build and let's improve those lap times, hopefully. Maybe. Let's go.
As well as fitting the bucket seat harness, steering wheel and shift knob, we'll also strip Gareth's interior of its heavy leather seats, spare wheel and anything else within reason that we can tear out.
Right, so we're going to start unbolting the seats, taking out the rear seats, everything that is accessible, and then we're going to put the bucket in, steering wheel, shift knob, and we're good to go. Do some laps. Let's get to it!
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again. 'Cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
I think this is a condom wrapper. Oh.
My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall.
So there we have it. With Gareth's unnecessary weight removed, we've shaved roughly 150 kilograms or 330 pounds from the 330D's curb weight. All that's left to do now is to put that weight reduction to the test by attacking the track. And yes, like everything you see on the BMW, you can now buy weight reduction for your car on the Car Throttle shop.
Right then, what we have done is effectively ruin this car. The leather has gone, the sound deadening has gone, everything that made this car great has gone. But at least I do have a really nice big van now. Really fast van as well. I've just warmed the tyres up and I think we're going to be alright. We've got the race chip in race mode. We've got lighter weight, so we've got better power to weight. So I think we should be alright. Let's give it a go, shall we? Alright, count me in. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Come on, let's go, Gareth. Let's go, big boy. Oh, it's so fast. Oh, it just, everything feels so much better. It feels like it turns in more sharply. Corner exit is faster. We've got less weight to lug about now, obviously. Right, no lifting. No lifting! Yes, that's the first time I haven't had to lift. Come on! Right, what do we reckon to that, ladies and gentlemen?
Okay, hit me with the time. Your first time was 38.06.
All right, that's 0.2 faster than the previous first time. So yeah, let's crack on.
3, 2,
1, go.
That was an interesting way to go around that corner. That wasn't it. That was not it. That was hilarious, but that wasn't it.
I think if you hadn't messed up there, that was going to be a good time because that was 38.05.
All right, we shall continue.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on. Talk. Come on. Oh,
That was so close.
It's so close, 37.78.
all right, we continue.
I feel it. I feel a 5 here. I feel a 37.5 in this one.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, this could be it. Come on. Is this it? Is this it? Is this it?
I said it! I said 37.5.
Tell me that's the one. 37.5.
Yeah! Okay, I'm happy with that.
So let's take another look at the numbers. Again, we've made an improvement and gained just over 1/4 of a second, as you can see here. Ergonomically speaking, the addition of the new bucket seat and harness really helped me out. Not only because of the weight saved from the car, but because the seat and harness combination kept my upper body in place through corners, without me having to strain to stay upright like previously. The new Momo steering wheel and shift knob also add a welcome dash of race car to the interior and really feel great in your hands. Look amazing too and are easy to fit, so a great addition to any interior. Looking at the laps in slow motion, you can see subtle differences between the 330D with its standard weight versus less weight. On the first fast left-hander, for example, the rear right drive shaft doesn't get pushed towards the body of the car as much, which helps make the car more nimble through the bends because there's less weight transfer to contend with. In the final chicane, the biggest difference with the weight stripped is the fact that I no longer need to dab the brake pedal to make the final corner. This is because I'm able to turn the 330D in more quickly, which was undoubtedly one of the biggest factors in the improved time.
So the end of another episode and another great result. We improved the lap time by 0.26 of a second. We're now at 37.5. Last week we were at 37.76. So a good improvement, and all we did was strip out, what do you reckon, 150 kg?
Yeah, about 150 kgs. We've got a lovely bucket seat in there. You enjoyed your steering wheel.
Yep.
That's a good upgrade.
Gear knob, and also the Takata harnesses. So I'm strapped in. I'm not having to use my core and my, I look like a bag of yogurt. I'm going to move on from the bag of yogurt comment. It hurts, but we're going to move on. Anyway, the car is now awesome. And remember that everything you see on Gareth, you can buy on the Car Throttle shop. As ever, you can watch the rest of the series by clicking this link. You can subscribe to Car Throttle by clicking this link. And don't forget to check out the Car Throttle shop like I mentioned earlier, right here. We'll see you next week for some hybrid turbo action. That's right, hybrid turbo. That's good.
I'm looking forward to that.
I'm looking forward to it. Amazing. Bye.